Windows Store is one of the easiest ways of installing apps on your Windows 11 PC, but what do you do if the store isn't working? My name is Yadullah. You are watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we are talking about how you can fix Microsoft Store not opening on Windows 11. So there are a bunch of ways why Windows Store might not be opening properly on your Windows 11 setup. The first thing that we're going to do is to check our internet connection. Now, you need an active internet connection to be able to access the Microsoft Store, as you would probably know. And if I run a check, you can see that my internet connection is definitely more than enough to be able to access the store. I'm also connected to Wi-Fi right here. If you are not, make sure that you're connected to the internet and that your internet connection is actually active. Step number 2 is running the Windows app troubleshooter. To do that, we'll press Windows key plus I to open Windows settings. Now in here, I will go to System and then click on Troubleshoot right here. This will open up some troubleshooting options. We'll click on Other Troubleshooters, as you can see here. And this launches a list of troubleshooters right here. Now, there is a troubleshooter called Program Compatibility Troubleshooters. You might not actually need to run this, but this one is the best option when something like this happens. So just click the Run button right here and then let the troubleshooter do its thing. In a little bit of time, your error should be gone. Alright, next up, resetting the store cache is a known trick that often works and helps with this kind of situation. So to do that, press Windows key plus R to open the run prompt, and let me just zoom in. Now you have to run this command. It's called wsreset.exe. Press enter or click the OK button, and this command will execute and it will clear out the Microsoft Store cache. You'll have to log in again, but that will once again fix the issue if none of the previous solutions worked for you. Next up, we can try resetting the Microsoft Store app itself. To do that, once again press Windows key plus I to open Windows settings. Now we are going to Installed Apps and then click System Components. Wait, let's just wait for it to load. Alright, scroll all the way down and click on this System Components setting that you can see right here. Now it will show you all the installed apps. I have Microsoft Store right here. Let me just zoom in so that you can see Microsoft Store. Go all the way here, click these three dots, click on Advanced Options. This will load up this page. Scroll down until you see the Reset section. Now in this section you have two options, Repair and Reset. Try repairing the store once. If that fixes your problem, great. Otherwise you can just go ahead and reset it. Log in again with your Microsoft account and the Windows Store should be working. Last but not least, it's very important to make sure that your Windows installation is updated. To do that, open Windows Settings and head over to Windows Update. Now, as you can see, let me just zoom in. As you can see, I have a Windows Update pending. So, which means I need to install this Windows Update and then restart my computer and try again. A lot of the times, corrupted files in your Windows installation can keep core programs from working, and an update often fixes that. And that's how you fix the Microsoft Store not working on Windows 11. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon and tell us in the comments below what more videos can we make for you, or if you have any thoughts on this video, shoot a comment and I'll talk to you down below. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.